Did you know that our tax money is used to help Walmart suppress wages? In 2022, Walmart made $14.3 billion in profits. When President Trump passed a massive corporate tax cut in 2018, Walmart announced that it would share $700 million of their projected savings with workers, but that's actually only about 5% of annual profits. There's a lot more than that to go around. Walmart is clearly not hurting, so why is the US government helping Walmart make even bigger profits? How are our taxes used to boost Walmart's bottom line? In many states, a routine part of Walmart's employee orientation is devoted to practical information on how to apply for public benefits. In 2014, a group called Americans for Tax Fairness reported that Walmart employees needed an estimated $6.2 billion for food stamps, Medicaid, and housing assistance just to survive on their low paychecks. Walmart made almost $16 billion in profits that year, which means that U.S. taxpayers propped up Walmart's profits that year by more than 60%. If Walmart had paid its workers more than subsistence wages that year, they would have only made $10 billion in profits for 2014, a number that would still put them in shooting distance of the top 10 most profitable companies on earth. Walmart doubly benefits from those public benefits, taking close to 20% of all annual food stamp spending, which makes sense considering their dominance in the grocery market. Walmart employees who are low paid enough to qualify for food stamps frequently turn around and spend them at Walmart. The company's profitability depends on these public benefits. In their 2014 annual report filed with the Securities and Exchange Commission, Walmart warned its shareholders that our business operations are subject to numerous risk factors and uncertainties, domestically and internationally, which are outside our control. These factors included changes in the amount of payments made under Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Plans, SNAP, and other public assistance plans. A study by UC Berkeley estimates that low wages cost U.S. taxpayers $152.8 billion a year in public benefits for working families. This money is taken from taxpayers and given to people with jobs at profitable companies. Because those employers don't pay their workers enough to live, taxpayers like you and me have to pick up the slack. This is a direct subsidy for corporate profits. That's $150 billion in savings on labor costs for companies that ultimately ends up being given out to the rich as dividends and stock buybacks every year. Should we blame the workers for being paid so poorly? Remember, these people aren't the stereotypically lazy takers that Paul Ryan hates so much. These are folks who have followed the rules and found jobs. Should we instead blame the Fortune 500 companies that pay their workers so little that they actually qualify for public assistance? The true welfare queens in this country don't drive Cadillacs like scam artist Linda Taylor. They drive Bentleys and fly to posh boardrooms in flashy Learjets and Sikorsky helicopters. There is an ancient Roman expression that underscores the reality of this situation. Cui bono? Who benefits? Ask yourself who benefits from paying workers so little that they qualify for public assistance. Is it the people subsisting barely on those benefits? Or is it the companies that increase profits by paying employees less than they need to survive? As mentioned, where Walmart goes, the rest of corporate America follows. In 2012, McDonald's employees received $1.2 billion in public money as the company took a $5.5 billion profit. While Walmart employees frequently take top honors with the most employees on public assistance, in multiple states, Amazon is gaining on them fast. According to a 2018 study, Amazon workers were among the top recipients of SNAP benefits in 5 states. 1 in 3 of Amazon's Arizona employees needed food stamps to live. Fun fact, the median Amazon worker, meaning the man in the middle who made more than one half of all other employees and less than the other half, made $28,446 in 2017. Thanks to a stock surge between January and May of 2018, the net worth of Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos rocketed from $99 billion to $132 billion. It's more now, which means that those 4 months, Bezos made $275 million every 24 hours. Bezos earned his median workers $28,446 salary every 8.93 seconds. The business model of America's biggest and most successful companies is increasingly built on paying its workers less than subsistence wages. This is unsustainable over the long term. This business model also couldn't exist without the cooperation of the major political parties and willing assistance from the U.S. government. Let's make them pay.